To feel renewed and recharged for this new month, what I want to share with you is something about energy that lasts. It's not always about the quick fixes or that extra caffeine, but it's looking at where does our energy leak from? How do we optimize daily routines and build momentum to keep us feeling energized through movement, mindful nutrition, and rethinking rest and recovery? Hey, my name is Francois. I'm the founder and chief health and wellness specialist here at the Other Pain Clinic. And today, what I want to share with you is maybe consider this your new go-to snack for energy. All right, here's what I mean. Let me share that screen with you. It's a new recipe. It's a no-bake energy balls. No baking involved. How cool is that? Because, have you ever had one of those days, or maybe more than one of those days, where you're rushing from one thing to the next and suddenly you realize you're starving? Maybe it's between work meetings. Maybe it's halfway through your afternoon errands, whatever the case may be. So instead of reaching for something sugary and dealing with the inevitable crash, I got you your new go-to quick energy bites. You've probably seen some of these recipes beforehand if you've been searching online. But these little snacks are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all giving you a boost of energy that will last. Plus, like I said, they're no bake, so super easy to make. And if you got kids, definitely I think they'll be kid approved. But for me, they're big kid approved for sure. So the recipe, if you want to know more about the recipe, please visit theotherpainclinic.com. That's the website. You'll find the recipe ingredients on a blog post and where I'll have all the ingredients for you, the instructions, how to put it all together. And you know what? I'd probably say double this recipe because I think once you taste this, it'll go and disappear quickly. Now, these no-bake energy balls are great for that quick snack between meetings or errands, fueling up before your exercise routine as well, or even satisfying a sweet craving without the sugar crash. All right, so like I said, check out my website, theotherpainclinic.com. It'll be on blog post, which I will post today for sure. And, try out the recipe. Let me know what you think as well. You can also find me at the Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, as well, and the YouTube channel at The Other Pain Clinic. All right, have a great day with this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.